Hello there. We're going to work on the mechanical energy web quest today. If you click on this, open it up. There was a couple of tech issues with the first group doing it. Evidently some of them couldn't type into this. So, not sure. Doesn't look like I can, well, I can click that link, but doesn't really seem like I can type in it either. So I'm going to tell you this. You can go ahead and insert a slide and type your answers in that, or print this off and take a picture of it and upload your picture into this slide, and then do the same for the next one. Because of the technical issues, once you're done with this, you're going to be done for the week, because I want to keep you on the same thing that the other group is doing. So I guess that's a bonus for you. Do it today, though. Don't push it off until tomorrow unless you have a good reason for that. So it shouldn't take you too long. And go ahead and make sure you remember to go back to the assignment here. Click on the My Document and hit Submit. All right, have a great day. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.